BSL, English audio with subtitle support. Conwy Mussel Centre, Conwy, Quay. Mussels have been fished from the Conwy estuary for thousands of years. The Romans noted them for the quality of the pearls found inside some of the shells. In the early 19th century, Conwy mussels still produced significant quantities of pearls. The delicious meat inside was mostly fed to livestock. Most of the pearls were dispatched to jewellers in London. Conwy mussels have been harvested by members of some families for many generations. In 1853, mussel gatherer Richard Roberts fell into the estuary when stepping from one boat to another. He was swept away by a strong current and drowned before anyone could help. The mussel families respected bylaws which prohibited mussel fishing in summer, but in 1897 a local man was fined for taking mussels from the estuary in July. He told magistrates that he had only taken some for his own use. In the early 20th century, food poisoning from shellfish became a significant public health issue, and at one time Conwy's mussel beds were closed for safety. The government set up a research centre at Castlebank, Conwy, where scientists developed a method of purifying mussels. It was adopted on a commercial scale, enabling consumers to eat mussels with confidence. Mussels are purified at the Conwy Mussel Centre by being left in clean water for a couple of days. The building is a mussel information centre in summer.